I'm back in the kitchen, and I'm glad that you're here with me. I actually have Shanoa here somewhere in the house. She's been editing for me today, but I'm going to be drawing her in here after a while because she's going to help me put some things together. I have a recipe that is actually new, and the kids are coming tomorrow, and I am going to try it out on them. I think they're going to like it, and I think you're going to like it too. In my bowl, I have got 3 cups of hash browns, or you could use shredded potatoes, 1½ cup of broccoli that is cut up pretty small, and then I also have 1 cup of cheese. I also have this right here, which I've sauteed 4 little peppers, the colored sweet peppers, and 1 small onion, and I'm going to be mixing the 2 of these together. I'm going to be putting this mixture into wraps. So what I need is 2 eggs to help hold all of my things together here that I have in the bowl. I'm also going to be putting in 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix this together. All right, so I have laid out 8 tortillas here, and they are from the super soft brand, or the super soft kind. And I'm going to divide out my yumminess that goes on the inside. Okay, so I've divided out that yumminess that I had mixed together, and I'm gonna add some more hash browns to it because this is a breakfast casserole. This is where you could add sausage, you could add any kind of meat that you desire to have for any breakfast casserole. But I'm going to be making it more potato-y. As I said, I was going to bring my helper Shanoa into this picture. So what we're doing is we're rolling these up, and then we're cutting them into thirds. You roll them tight, keep the seam at the bottom, kind of push your stuff back in at the end, because what you want to cut off the ends. Okay, this is what I have here, and I am going to be putting my egg mixture and cheese and some other peppers on the top of this. Okay, I've cracked 14 eggs into my bowl, and I am pouring in 2 cups of milk, and I'm going to put in another 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and also like 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to mix this all up. So I've got that finished, and tomorrow morning I will be putting that in the oven. The cool part about this is that it definitely can be put in the refrigerator overnight, or else you let it sit for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. So in the morning, I'll be back. Okay, so I was up early this morning, popped this thing in the oven. I put it in at 375, and then halfway through turn it back to 350. I did cover it with foil. And also you want to spray your pan really good, or butter it. Butter makes it really delicious, really good. One of the nice things about this recipe is that it will heat up again like leftovers. It's fantastic for leftovers. You also can freeze this. Anyway, I'll see what the boys have to say when they get here. Okay, so the nice part about this is that it's individual servings. And like I said before, you can put sausage, bacon, anything like that in these, and it just makes for a delish breakfast casserole. The other thing is too that's really yummy, this stuff here gets a little bit crusty. That's really super yummy. Along with this breakfast, I have decided to make my slush, the fruit slush, which I had on another video. I did not have anything real colorful to go in this time. Just made sure I had a lot of bananas because that's what's really delicious. So if you didn't catch that before, look it up. You'll find it in my channel, how to make fruit slush. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you. What are some of the things that you all do in your home for your breakfast? Subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.